Don't worry about her, she a dub. Yeah, you the only one to show love. Yeah, all my exes looking like ghosts. Yeah, only see them when I make a post. Now that I got you, I feel better. I look at them, I look at you, oh, that's a step up. The type of girl I love, she shitting on my exes. They hit my line, I tell them, oh, to leave a message. Since I got you, my exes looking like ghosts. Once upon a time, I wish that you were mine. Now you're on my time. Ain't nobody messing this up. I got you, so I don't need my ex. I got me a whole new flex with you. They looking like ghosts, and you would get looking like.
Hey my lovely, so as you guys can tell from the title, I am showing you guys how I do my closure installs. I start all my clients off with a fresh shampoo and condition and blow dry. And as you guys can tell, I'm just basically, she's getting a middle part closure, so I part her hair in the middle and I just braid from side to side, and well, I braid straight down and then from side to side, if that makes sense. Pretty sure you guys have seen this pattern plenty of times. There's been so many videos out here that shows you guys how a basic braid pattern is. So here is the finished braiding pattern, and as you guys can see, it is very flat and neat. So you guys want to have your clients help you hold the closure in the front, and as you can see, I am sewing the closure down. I am starting from one side, so I'm going to sew this side down first, and then I'm going to cut the thread and move over to the other side of the closure and sew that down, and then sew the back down. You always want to sew the back down last so that you can ensure that the closure is nice and flat. You guys, this closure is a 4x4. I also tinted the lace beforehand. Well, I bleached the knots. I didn't tint the lace. I bleached the knots beforehand. If you guys want me to make a video showing you guys how I bleach my knots, let me know in the comment section below, and I will be gladly to do that for you guys. So you guys, I finished sewing down my closure, and right here I'm just showing you guys how flat it is and how I can part it. You can part it anywhere pretty much. And so from here I'm just gonna put that away so that I can get started with sewing the hair in. I don't remember where this hair was from, can't remember, but I believe all of them, she had 4 bundles. They were all 18 inches with 18-inch closure. So I just start at the nape of the neck and I sew from side to side, and I do the lock method, the lock stitch method, where you put it through and lock it. I also fold all my wefts. I don't cut any of my wefts until I get towards the top near the closure. I begin to cut I believe just one, I just cut the top track right around the closure so that it can be flat. And I also double all my wefts. She likes a full look, so I did use 3.5 bundles in her head. So to ensure that I get all of the bundles in, I do double my wefts when I'm sewing. So as you can see, I just folded the weft over and I actually knotted it like 4 times on that corner, and yeah, I just go from side to side. So you guys, as you can tell, I am just about done with sewing her wefts in. This is the 3rd bundle. You guys will see that I will be ending this 3rd bundle and adding a 4th bundle in. As you guys can see, I'm still going from right to left or left to right, just following the shape of her head when it comes to placing my wefts and sewing them in. I am completely done with installing the hair. So now I am just going through and styling it. You guys, my flat irons, I done had these flat irons for like 6 years, and they have gotten me through everything. Like, I've bought so many flat irons within these 6 years, but none of them compare. Like, I know I need to get some new flat irons, but I absolutely love these ones. Got these from Cosmoprof years ago when I first got off cosmetology school, and I paid I want to say $100 for them, and they're Baby Bliss. So they're Baby Bliss flat irons, and they were a limited edition at the time. So I can't find another pair, and I want another pair, but you know, these are doing me justice. As you guys can see, the color is almost gone on them. But you guys, I just threw her some nice loose curls in there, and yeah. So here is the finished look, you guys, and she absolutely loved it. I absolutely loved it. I like how nice and full and bouncy the hair is. I am going to figure out where she got her hair from and leave a link in the description bar below. But as you guys can tell, it is nice and neat and flat. So you guys, if you like this video, don't forget to like, comment, rate, and subscribe, and stay tuned for my next video. Thank you.